1801, British engineer Richard Trevithick invent a steam locomotive. Locomotive, you're not seeing in Nigeria, they are using locomotive. Why not is a train? But the train is locomotive. 1807, first Jew synagogues opened in Liverpool. 1801, gbogbo population Liverpool was 77,000 ní 1801. Ní 1807, the trade in the enslaved Africans is abolished in Britain and its colonies. Ẹ máa gbọ́, ní 1807, gbogbo oko ẹrú wọ́n stop ẹ̀, àwa la wá ń ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì nísìnyí, àwa la wá ń bá wọn. Àná a fẹ́ gbé ní UK, a fẹ́ gbé ní UK, second class citizen, third class citizen. Èèyàn ní PhD, a máa wá Uber káàkiri gbogbo London. Èèyàn ní masters, wọn ní fún opportunity. So ta ló wá ń deceive ara wọn? Ní 1807, òun ni oko ẹrú bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ní 1815, Napoleon Empire ends with the Battle of Waterloo. Àní wọ́n ń jà níṣẹ́, tíyàn bá jà ò lè kúrò ní oko ẹrú, ìjà ní ẹ máa jà, ìjà gidi, ìjà gidi. Ní 1820, Danish scientist Anna Christian Ørsted discovered the magnetic field created by electricity. Àwọn tí níná lẹ́yìn 1820 tó ti discover iná ìtì sí. Now, ní 1825, the world first school for deaf people opens in Liverpool. Ẹni bá jẹ́ deaf person ní Nigeria ó ti jẹ gbèsè. In 19th century, the rapid growth in population, crowded housing, the lack of fresh water, clean air, untreated sewage, all combined to make Liverpool a very unhealthy place. Liverpool yẹn ni gbogbo wa fi wá báyìí nísìn, àwọn Nigerians tó ń gbé ní Liverpool bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ṣẹ́rí pé ní 19th century, àwọn náà ní problem pẹ̀lú nílé, kò sí fresh air, kò sí toilet. Báwa náà ṣe ní gbogbo ọ̀dọ̀ wa lọ́hùn. But nígbà tó di 1832, a major cholera ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ibi báyìí, ó pa èèyàn 1,500 ní 21st century. Cholera ṣe ń pààyàn nílé. Ní 1832, cholera epidemic kills 1,523 people in Liverpool. But Dr. William Henry Duncan had a medical practice on the Upper Parliament Street, where he researched the health of the local population. Nígbà tó di 1845, he joined the Health of Towns Association in Liverpool and campaigned for Liverpool First Sanitary Act in 1846. That year, Liverpool had the highest death rate in Britain. In 1847, Duncan was appointed as Liverpool's medical officer of the health for the first such post in the world. 1840, Liverpool Philharmonic Society is founded. 1847, the world first municipal park opens in Birkenhead. By 1851, Liverpool had grown into a large town with an extensive dock system and a population of about 375,000 people. Once again, this is KOIKIMEDIA. In 1855, Britain first penny daily newspaper, the Daily Post, is published in Liverpool. In 1868, Owen departmental stores opened. Nígbà tó di 1861, gbogbo population Liverpool was 437,740. Nígbà tó di 1872, Tate's Sugar Factory opened at Lover Lane. Gbogbo àwọn businesses yẹn ló ṣe operate o. Gbogbo business Yorùbá ló ti padànù, wọ́n jẹ́ kó gbérí àwọn Hausa àti Fúlàní. So tó bá wá wo gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ báyìí, can you say it? Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń wò wá. Ibi tí ó wà interest mi gangan òun ni bíbáyìí. Nígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ oko ẹrú, òun lélẹ́yìn. The port and the slave trade ní 1699, the 10th of September 2021. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n padà sẹ́yìn bá kẹ̀lé rí ṣẹ́rí. Can you say it?